Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I am going to be finally revealing to you guys the blank area that I shared with you in our initial home tour. And I asked you guys, what should I do with the area? And many of you guys voted, and I am going to share with you guys what we actually did. And so before we get into that, I would like to take the opportunity to thank Homary for sponsoring today's video. I am so in love with this new space. It is so functional, so beautiful, and so luxe. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. So if you missed the official home tour, I will link it here so that you can go back and check it out. But the one area that I was concerned about was actually in our master bathroom. It is very spacious, walk-in closet, beautiful shower. But here is that blank area that we were talking about. And that is the area that I'm going to transform on today. For starters, I can't say enough about how well these packages arrived. They really put a lot of extra care and attention into their shipping. As you guys can see with the mirror, it was just absolutely beautiful package, very well, no issues with it breaking or any of that, just very well protected, and I absolutely love it. It was everything that I had originally envisioned. Next up is the stool. I just want you guys to see like how well this packaging, like, oh my gosh, it's just amazing, and everything arrived in pristine condition. When we started to unbox the vanity, it was absolutely just gorgeous. The drawers were packed really well. The handles were located on the inside of the drawers. All we had to do was just detach them and reattach them on the outside. But I'm just in love, so excited to get this in my new space and just to have that personal beauty space for myself in our master bathroom. The assembly was straight to the point. It literally took minutes to put together. I think unpacking it took a lot more time than actually assembling it, and that says a lot because this piece is so stunning. It is so luxe, and I cannot wait to finally reveal it to you guys. Homary just has some incredible products. You guys definitely check them out if you are looking for a unique piece for your home or your apartment, or if you have a child going to college, or if you just graduated from college and you're getting started on your first adult space. Definitely check them out because they also have some amazing deals going on as well. So now that all of the legs are in place, we are going to put it in place in our master bathroom. And so it fit perfectly. I cannot stress how important it is for you to measure your space once, twice, and again. This space was not as wide as I initially thought it was when it was empty, but when I measured, I knew that I had enough space to put these pieces here and it not feel overcrowded. And so they fit perfectly. As you guys can see, the measurements were just so on point, and I now am so excited about getting to decorate the space as well. Okay, so we made a little adjustment on the legs. You can raise it up and raise it down. And so we did make that quick adjustment. I put the stool in place. Absolutely love it. And you guys, it is perfect. When I say perfect, it is absolutely perfect for this area. It makes me want to change out like all the hinges and things like that to gold. But this is a temporary space for us, so I don't want to make that investment right now. But definitely in our new home, I will be more than likely having gold fixtures to kind of go with this whole thing. I think I may create an entire beauty room. Now, one thing I will change out for sure is the location of the towel bar to the right. I just think it kind of interferes with the beauty of the space. And then I will probably be adding a wardrobe type of hanger on the wall as well, so that when I get dressed in the morning, everything is perfect and everything is in place. One of the things that really drew me to this particular vanity was the storage. I was just obsessed with the amount of storage that it had. And you guys, I was like, okay, yeah, I love this, right? Very well made. I love all the storage in it. And I will now have a place to put like all of my girly things like makeup and jewelry and sunglasses and all of those other things that we need to be prissy every day, right? And so I did love the storage, and I was just, you know, enthralled with how much storage space was available with this. And then also you have countertop space as well if you needed more storage, which I don't think I'm going to need more storage, but just in case I do have that countertop space as well. Now that the hard part is over, the fun part starts, and that's with the design. I'm definitely going to remove this bar, and I want some type of diagonal floral arrangement to run across that area and a small clothing rack in that area. But my adult ADD kicked in, or ADHD kicked in, and I was like, oh, we got a lamp as well from Homary, and it's a feather lamp. Super excited about putting it together. And so we're going to start trying it out. I'm going to try it out in my office, in my home office, and I'm going to also try it out on a vanity. So the instructions were super simple to read. The lamp included this feather top, and all you had to do was basically screw it in. I just wanted to check over the instructions to make sure that I was reading it correctly. So the top was just super simple to put in. You just screwed it in, and it smelled, when I tell y'all it smelled delicious, it smelled absolutely delicious. The feathers smelled amazing. And so the instructions were just to bend the feathers backwards, and you just kind of follow the pattern that has already been set in place. I could not stop smelling these feathers. As an event designer, I have ordered a plethora of feathers, and none of them have ever smelled this fresh. It's just, oh my gosh, it's almost like opening the dryer and having like just this beautiful aroma, you know, after you have put all your fabric softeners and beads and everything in it. I mean, it just smells so fresh, so clean and so fresh. And so once I get all of the feathers assembled, I'm going to turn the lights on again to make sure that no holes are showing as I kind of, you know, bend them in place. It was super simple to do. It only took a couple of minutes, and I just think it makes a huge impact. So this is what the actual lamp looks like in the office area. And my kind of aesthetics is just clean and white. And so this is what it looks like there. And I'm liking it. I'm feeling it. But I also originally purchased it for the vanity. So we're going to also go and start decorating the vanity and add the feather in the vanity area as well. So for right now, just kind of give you guys an idea of where I'm going with this. I added a butterfly kind of a metal artwork over the vanity area. It's not exactly what I want, but I am feeling like butterflies and flowers. And so until I get that perfect, you know, piece that I'm looking for that's in my mind, I'm going to add that as a placeholder. I also saw like this really cute makeup brush set, and it had pearls in it. And I was like, oh, I can DIY that. And that's exactly what I did. I found these cute golden white makeup brushes. I added them in the pearls, and I just thought it was the perfect piece to add on top of my vanity area. And you know, I'll find some other things to go on the other two sides, but right now that's just where we are. So I did love the way that those turned out and how they complemented the existing golden white theme that we have going here so far. And yeah, so that's what we're going to put there. On the other side, I found a jewelry holder, and anyone knows me, knows that I absolutely love pearls. I love pearls. I think they're so beautiful, so classy, and so dainty. And so I added in my jewelry on this side. So I'm going to give you guys a little music for your listening pleasure as we finish decorating this space. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments below which was your favorite space that I used the lamp. Is it in the office or in my beauty area? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you would like to visit Homary, I will leave the site down below so that you can shop their gorgeous home decor pieces. I know you will find something that you'll love. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!